Welcome to ZloViewer. In this video we will find and remove duplicates and similar media that was imported in our last video. Let's recap where we are. ZloViewer has found a total of 27,514 media files in the demo directory. You can toggle on or off additional information to be displayed as visual hints in the directory tree. Let's take a look at the status of our database by going to the Settings tab and then Database. Out of all the imported files, approximately 37% are duplicates. Within the directory we scanned, about 67% of the files were images and videos. Okay, let's use our dupe tool to start cleaning up our media. You can drag a folder from the directory tree to the tool to begin and to restrict our search to that path. You can also manually browse for the directory or leave it blank to analyze our entire database. We have several powerful algorithms available for not only finding duplicates but also finding similar images. In this video we will use the MD5 exact and difference hash algorithms since we're cleaning a large set of files and they have available a bulk tool that is not available with the others. The advanced button allows you to modify thresholds as needed for each of the different hashes. You can also set preferences for the auto removal tool, which we'll look at later. Let's begin our search. Note that we have blurred many of the images that will be shown that have people in them. Key results are arranged with tools on the top, bulk hash sets in groups of 500 and then each individual hash group result below. Clicking individual hash groups will show the matched media for a particular hash. In this case we have 7,127 distinct hashes that have duplicate files. That's a lot. Let's take a look at the Keep Remove tool. This tool is great for working with smaller sets as it allows you to quickly keep some media and remove others by simply clicking on it. Right-clicking gives you more options. Unless destructive mode is enabled, the removed files are backed up before being removed. We can show more information under each thumbnail by clicking the cycle information display icon. Clicking on the thumbnail keeps that file and removes the others. The hash list must be refreshed each time, so it can be a bit slow with so many hash groups. You can also choose to skip the hash group or delete all the files in the hash group. While this can be fun, we've got a long way to go, so it's not appropriate for such a large data set. We'll now use the auto removal tool to speed things up. This tool will automatically keep the largest file in each group and delete the others. No backups will be made. If you go back to the advanced area, you can tweak settings such as a preferred directory to keep, skipping hash groups that have more than a certain number of files, or preferring files that have more metadata even if the file size is slightly smaller. We'll prefer media from the photo subdirectory since those were directly copied from my camera. Since we chose to not run the tool previously, we need to go to a different selection and then select it again. Again, the bottleneck will be your storage access speed as the duplicates are removed. We speed up this process for the video. When finished, ZloViewer will again analyze the remaining media and show any remaining duplicates. In this case, there are 145 remaining hash groups. Looking at these sets, you'll see that they either have more than the number of files we chose to skip or they have different file types. We'll increase the threshold and run again. It's much faster with the smaller set of data. Now we have just a few left that we can clean up manually. Now that we're done, we will need to refresh the directory tree to see the changes in file counts. Checking the folder size, we see that our folder size has been reduced from 192 GB to 105 GB. Now let's run a different algorithm, the difference hash. This will show files that are similar to each other. We're looking at almost exact matches, but the thresholds can be changed to expand the results. In this instance, we don't have many to be concerned about. So we will quickly go through them. More attention needs to be paid than when doing an MD5 exact match, as we're looking at similarities, and sometimes the media is not obviously visually similar. This completes the process of removing duplicates from our new media set. In the next video we will start the organizing process.